Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get purple brick bloom seed in Heartopia Modular Street Festival event. So guys, the brick bloom seed is one of the seeds from this Modular Street event in Heartopia. And to buy the seed, you need to have at least level 2 to get the flower seed. And once you have level 2, you can go to blanks and start purchasing the flower, then plant it in your garden. And also, if you want to get the purple brick bloom, we need to trigger the crossbreeding and make sure that your gardening level is at least level 3 or higher. Without this, crossbreeding won't work at all. And you're going to plant your flowers side by side or in a checkerboard pattern. This is important because flowers need to be next to each other to crossbreed. And this is my layout. Make sure guys that you water your flowers daily. Even better if you ask friends to help water them because that increases the chance of getting rare seeds. And after your flower fully bloom, wait for the crossbreeding process. Each day after reset, there's a chance a floating seed icon will appear above your flowers like this, and that's your purple brick bloom seed. But I think the color is very random. At the first time I got this blue brick bloom seed, and the next day I got this one by combining pink and pink. Okay, let's just take the flower. Purple brick bloom seed. And that's basically it. The key is patience, good layout, and daily watering. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the purple brick bloom seed in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.